once again to Showbiz Breakthrough with Mr. Showbiz. My name is still Mr. Showbiz, and please, if today is your first time, subscribe to the YouTube channel. One, like the video. Two, while subscribing to YouTube channel, make sure set the bell icon there. You will click on it so that it will notify you anytime I upload a new video. And check on the top there, like where the title of the video is. You see a three dots there. Click on there. You see quality. Click on the quality and check from the list the highest quality. Then you select so that you watch the video in its highest quality, because when you upload a video on YouTube, the quality is very low. So please do that for me. Quick reminder before we just start checking out the new song of the day. And we're about to check out that's Black Boy Koba, my senior man. He's called Black Boy Koba, one of the upcoming artists. But on your upcoming artists, since he mingle himself plus artists, big artists can promise the stars. He mingle himself plus them. And if you're dominant, I'm a crash on him, crash your moves. So on him crash your moves. So we can come check him out. His song Chasing Money, made by AZ. What I say? So without wasting my time, let's just get started and listen to this upcoming artist. Yes, I like the intro. What I say?
Everything is possible.
Yes.
AZ. Every day we do on the grind.
Yes.
But the same shit niggas are blind.
Oh, Charlie, they are
If
blind.
you know the money matter, make it not call my line. Black Boy Koba. Hey, bow. Don't call if you know we seek. I said, sing who the way you met you what
Hey.
Started making some quests, counts and prepares. Niggas start to pretend. Maybe seek and I'm your friend.
Hey, Charlie. Many followers, when you're my friend. Me will low views, only share my videos, when you're my friend. You will fit to see somebody. Hey, Charlie. Hey, let's listen.
I would have done it with red. I was once a sinner in money. I don't make tribal. I repent.
Hey, you're sitting. Let me go back.
Don't call if you know we seek. I said, sing who the way you met you what Started making some quests, counts and prepares. Niggas start to pretend. Maybe seek and I'm your friend. Blue power did done it with red. I was once a sinner in money. I don't make tribal.
I was once a sinner in money. I don't understand this line. I was once a sinner in money. So it means if it's not where you're born in with me translate about tree. I don't know. I need to break this line into metamorphic. Charlie, Black Boy Cover. This line I don't understand. Please, if you don't understand this line, let me know what I say. I don't understand.
I repent for chasing money.
Yes.
Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money, yeah. Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money. Don't waste my time, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money, yeah. Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money. I was behind the blocks, so my two walls. Squad, they ring my bell. Squad, they bang my door. I see something to go wrong. In the room, chilling with my dogs. Rooms were so hot on my song. Bumping expensive drinks on the floor. Makes me tell you for that, makes you know it's more. Party. Some American boys in their beauty, so cut it. You look at them about your thinking, so stop it. Flexing this, so I get it, yeah. Never cross it. Hey, crossing me. That's all the belly whiskey.
Krasini, I say all the belly biscuit. What I say? Hey, this upcoming artist, let's just give them the chance. The chance is really needed. Like, more chance so that they walk like on my back full set. Reshuffle, what I say? Tatawali waka one don person be sifon. Stone one person be sifon. I know that they are no like omuni, but they have to give like omoma kwai na so be like they should allow them to come into the market, call them like when they see them on Instagram or Facebook, they DM you, oh Charlie, your song is the beat. That motivation stuff creates me many people who say he's part of the music industry. On your upcoming artist, that word upcoming artist, it really kills the upcoming artist. What I say? Ekele Musolo. If then they call you upcoming artist, it be like who need his song. You don't have no like who need his song. Our market. That one is sensible. But like if you're upcoming artist, like artists top artists for obiara venture and so obiara DM more motivation be so that you work and become part of them because when you hear song and then you are part of them. What you say? So what are the Americans?
Hey girl, you are so wicked. You want chop my money and go free.
No,
I take my money like fuck. Now so myself go do this job. I'll go inside and out. That place they go, I will use and touch.
Hey,
black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money. Yeah. Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing. Don't call if you know we seek a sam. Same who they will me to attend. Started making some coins, counts and prepares. Niggas start to pretend. Many seek and I'm a friend. Blue power did the name of red. I was a sinner in money. I don't make people. I repent for chasing money. Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money. Yeah. Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money. Don't waste my time, I'm chasing money, chasing money, chasing money, yeah. Black boy, I'm chasing money, chasing money, yeah. Yeah, big ups to all my boys, MTT boys, big ups AC, Junior, Boom, Kobe, Puddle, Bow, hey. Chasing money, MTT boys, no go slack, no go bow, down.
Hey. Charlie, so we are done listening to Black Boy Koba Chasing Money. What you say? Black Boy Koba Chasing Money. It's out, it's everywhere. Black Boy Koba, I know him, it's out everywhere. But one thing I bought for Black Boy Koba, and they say, you don't mention my name for the song inside. But also, I have friends at check. So if you mention my name for your song inside, one thing. But let me tell, quick video need music need there. Track no, it be one. And it's any trash, one, two, any trash. It really needs to be projected. What I say, make up projected out. I say call for tour and as if no share. DJs and no interview and now on anymore. What I say, he needs to do promotion for this song, cause I have cried to me anymore. How more Black Boy Koba. So let's just support our artists because they have fire and they can make us proud when they get to the top. They won't sell out like how others are doing. So let's all support them so that they will climb to the top and we all live a good life. What I say, if today is your first time, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, drop me some comments in the comment section, and drop me your favorite artist you want me to check out his song. Say in here promotion, I will tell him to go for it. Say when you're in here promotion, I will tell him say he should back off. Now on saving the secret. What I say, thank you very much for watching this video to this extent. I really appreciate everything. Bye. My name is Mr. Showbiz.